Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Hope everyone had a very good evening and a good night last night. Guys, anybody looking forward to the fall weather? The leaves are changing, and it's probably one of my favorite times. This last quarter of the year, all the holidays, they're just really fun. So hope you guys are enjoying this time with me in the world and in life. All right, guys, in today's video, if you like or see anything that you want to see again, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hit the bell notification as well as the thumbs up. It means the world to me and the team as we produce the highest quality content we can here. Okay, in today's analysis, we're going to be focusing on this. Our Ethereum is going to increase or decrease by what percentage within the next 5 days? That's what we're really going to tackle and assess in today's video. So we're just going to dive on in. I'm going to show you guys 4 signs of where I think the market's going to go. The first big one that I think everyone needs to be looking at is on this daily time frame for Ethereum, and I've got this pulled up on Coinbase. I see an impulse move down followed by an ascending channel pattern. Do you guys know what this is technically referred to in the market? This is actually referred to as what's called a bear flag, impulse move down with a channel move up. This usually, I would say honestly, guys, about 70 to 80% of the time, I know there's a little bit of a swing there, this will look to break to the downside to the next strongest structure support, which is right around this area of about $1,000, which is the whole number. So the first thing I see today on the chart for Ethereum that we need to be assessing here is we have a bear flag on the daily time frame, which is actually a very bearish sign in the market. So that is point number 1. All right, let me take you guys down to the 4-hour time frame because I want to dive on in here. And you guys are like, what is this over here? Well, I'll explain to you guys what this is over here. This is part of our prediction. So the second sign I see, I actually want to look at trend exhaustion over here. Trend exhaustion is in somewhat of a higher section than lower. You know, if you were to say, is this higher or is it lower? I would definitely say it's more high than low, looking for a move back down. When we look at this metric value and we just compare it to the value where we've seen this in the past, we've seen some decent moves back down. We can see this was actually a precursor to a move back down in the market here. Over here, we saw a little bit of a shelving off pattern, and then we did actually see the drop. Obviously, this got just a little bit higher than where we're at right now. We definitely saw the drop back down. So I believe this is going to add some selling pressure into the market to push us back down. So my second point is trend exhaustion is high, and this is a bearish sentiment in the market. Okay. Point number 3, we have what's called a descending resistance line. So we have a 1, 2, 3 touch over here. It's very close to a 3 touch. However, we only have a 1 and a 2 touch on the ascending support, and this is somewhat of a symmetrical triangle pattern that we can call this. So I believe what's going to happen here over the next few days is we actually have short traders entering their short trades right up here in selling trades, and I think the price is actually going to be magnetized to the bottom of this ascending support because I don't think buyers are necessarily going to come back in and try to buy this because they even know the next greatest structure support to get back in is actually down here at this level of 1,264. So actually the third touch of a descending resistance is actually very bearish because I believe we're going to be magnetized down to the support. So number 3, we're going to call it descending resistance, and that's going to push us down even further is what I think. Okay, number 4 here is very interesting. You guys are going to maybe have just a little bit of, not a harder time seeing this, but I want to show this to you guys, and I'm going to take this off for all the drawing tools. Back here, we've got what's called a trend line, and the trend line can actually be viewed by going and looking at the middle band. When this middle band here is broken to the downside, let me see if I can get this a little bit bigger for all of us so we can see this. The line is currently sitting right up here. If you guys can see it, follow this line with me with your eyes here. It goes like this, it comes down, and then it's sitting right about there. When price action opens and closes below this blue line here, this is usually a bearish sign in the market that we're going to start heading back down. When it opens and closes above this, this is usually when we're going to see moves up. Now, remember, not the top and the bottom wick, but an open and close above it. That's usually when we're getting a little bit more bullish, or when we're opening and closing below this blue line is when we're going to get bearish. So actually, the 4th sign is we have an open and a close, which I'm pretty sure we're not going to just shoot back up here on this 4-hour candle, below this blue line. And as far as the trend goes, this is actually a very bearish sign in the market where I do think we're going to push down. Let me bring back our tools on because I want to keep all those assessments up to the right side of the screen because it's what I'm going to dive into next. I think, and I mocked this up before I started, and it's looking like it's moving down just a little bit here. I believe if we had to make a price prediction analysis here, if we were to either assess structure high, which is right around $1,400, you can see that clearly right here, and if we were to look at structure low on this chart on the 4-hour, I do believe we have a higher chance of hitting structure low, which is right around this quarters theory level of 1,225 before we actually move back up here to $1,400 based off those 4 assessments in the market. The last but not least thing you guys need to do, I'll give you guys a discount on these indicators in 1 second here, but I really want everyone to be watching for the buy signal that's going to be coming out next on the 4-hour time frame for Ethereum. We're going to be watching for this for our scalping trades. So everybody, get the trend exhaustion, price to swell, money flow, and the top and bottom finder in the description. I'll give you guys a discount here in just 1 second, but come over here specifically, and I want you guys to come over and go to top and bottom finder. I want you guys to do a buy signal over here, and then go to once per bar close and do Ethereum buy signal. This will give you guys a signal when the next bottom is expected to move into the market. Now, why is this? Because look at the accuracy. There's the bottom there and we saw a move up. There's the bottom there and we saw a move up. So the accuracy here, guys, honestly is unparalleled. It's an edge you guys won't see anywhere else in the market. This has been doing very, very well for us, and it's why we have a good scalping strategy and our account is up. So we're going to do Ethereum, we're going to do strong buy here, and then we're going to do signal, okay? And we're just going to create this. So now we have a signal for both. Guys, I'll cut to the chase here at the end of the video. We are scalping with these indicators, this analysis I just showed you guys. We really are 440% higher than the S&P 500, and we've pulled out 11.5% profit just in the month of September, and it's coming to an end here. But we had a crazy good month, 11.5%, beating the S&P 500 in 1 month. And that was just with our scalping strategy. So guys, 2 options you have here to go into 4th quarter with us. Number 1, definitely get a membership. It's just $75 a month over here, and you guys are going to get access to all of our crypto trades, as well as our macro metrics, long and short trade data on Bitcoin and Ethereum, well institutional smart money for Bitcoin and Ethereum, USD inflow and outflow to see where all the money's moving. Like, definitely look at that. It's the number 3 tab over here on the website. And then we'll give you guys the top and bottom finder on the daily charts for the top 20 crypto and the top 20 stocks, okay? Definitely something you guys want to do. But here's the quick deal on our indicators so you guys can do this analysis. I want to spend time doing this analysis with you guys on these videos to show you guys how I'm using this and to kind of show you guys how you can use them to start predicting moves in the market. So in the description, you guys just want to snag the bundle pack first. This is going to give you the trend exhaustion, as well as the price or swell money flow, and actually 7 other indicators over here. It's a one-time purchase, lifetime access, source codes included. Make sure you get the bundle pack first. Once you get that, you immediately qualify for a 53% off coupon code for the top and bottom finder. Everybody, once you check out with the bundle pack, open the PDF called literally surprise gift. It's included with your source codes for the bundle pack, and then take that 53% coupon code, click right here, and then scroll down, click I want this, and then enter your coupon code right here under the discount code section. You will get $400 off our top and bottom finder, and set that alert up right here, guys. By the way, I won't spoil it, but you guys need to look at what happened on the SPY yesterday. That's all I'm going to say. Once you guys have the top and bottom finder, you will know yourself, but you need to watch what happened yesterday on the SPY. God bless you guys. If you want to hang out with me again, do this analysis, I'll keep track of this to see how we did over here. But I do believe we have a higher chance of us moving down in the market here to hitting this area about 1,225 versus us pumping back up here and moving to about $1,400. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this analysis. It's not too aggressive. I think this is really realistic. And guys, enjoy the indicators and enjoy the profits, because we're going to look to call scalping trades out here pretty soon. Everything's in the description. 53% coupon code. Absolutely amazing. Snag that membership, guys, and we'll keep coming out with good content. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.